Hello kids, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new lesson, The Clothes We Wear. The Clothes We Wear. So students, do you know why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. We also wear clothes because clothes protect us from cold. Clothes protect us from heat. Clothes protect us from rain. Clothes protect us from dirt and dust. Now you can say why we wear clothes. We wear clothes because clothes protect us from cold, heat, rain, dirt and dust. We also wear clothes because clothes make us look good and smart. So we should always wear clean clothes because clean clothes make us look good and smart. So students, do you know we wear different types of clothes in different season? Today we will discuss each in detail. First, summer season. Summer season. It is very hot in summers. So during hot summers, we wear light cotton clothes. So during summer, we wear light colored cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer because cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Next is winter season. Winter season. In winter it is very cold, and in winter season we wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why we wear woolen clothes in winter? We wear woolen clothes in winter because woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Can you name some woolen clothes? See, woolen clothes, you can say sweater, gloves, muffler, socks, jacket. All these are made of woolen. It keeps us warm during winter season. Next season is our next season is rainy season. What we wear in rainy season? We wear raincoats. During rainy season, we wear raincoats. When it rains, we wear raincoats. During rainy season, people also use umbrella. Some people also use gumboots. They use gumboots when they step out during rainy season. Now, we are going to talk about some special types of clothes. Do you know some people who do same kind of work? They wear special types of clothes. What are they called? They are called uniform. For example, pilot. Pilot flies an aeroplane and they wear same type of clothes, and that cloth is called uniform. For example, nurse who takes care of people, they also use a special types of clothes, and that cloth is called uniform. Such as firefighters, policemen, they also wear same type of clothes, and that is called uniform. You also wear uniform to school. Different school have different types of uniform. Look at here some of the clothes we wear. T-shirt, skirt, blouse, shorts, vest, underwear, raincoat, shirt, jacket, shorts, salwar kameez, sari, trousers. Now, can you tell me what materials are used for making clothes? Clothes are made from cloth. Clothes are made from cloth. Most cloth comes from plants and animals. Most cloth comes from plants and animals. Cotton. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. And wool comes from the sheep. We also get wool from rabbit and yak. And by using that wool, we use to make different kind of clothes such as sweater, jacket, muffler, gloves, etc. I hope you understand the topic, the clothes we wear. Now I am going to give you some assignment. Do that assignment at home. Do the reading of this lesson with the help of your parents and try to do these exercises in your copy. Fill in the blanks with the right word. Ship gives us, what does ship gives us? In winter we wear dash to school. What we wear? Uniform. No, different people who do the same work, they wear uniform. Cotton grows on. Woolen clothes keeps us. Clothes make us look good or bad. Circle the correct word. We wear raincoats when it snows or rains. Cotton clothes or woolen clothes keep us cool. A salwar pairs up with a kameez or blouse. We get wool from sheep or cow. We must wear clean or dirty clothes. Do this homework in your notebook and learn it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.